So guys, if you're facing the similar problem shown in the screen, then check out this video and you might find solution to your problem. Now, first of all, you're going to have to head to your settings, and after that, you need to click on your account. And after heading to your account, scroll down a little bit, and then click on Media and Purchases. Then click on View Account. After that, you'll need to click on Manage Payments to check that your payment methods are active or there are any issues with them. So as you can see, after I clicked Manage Payment, it takes me directly to Add Payment, which means that my payment method is either not set or it's inactive. So make sure to set your payment method here. Now select your credit or debit card, enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV over here, and then click on Done on the upper right corner. After that, your payment method will be added or updated. Next step, what we need to do is go to subscriptions to check our active subscriptions or check the subscriptions that are expiring or about to expire. So as you can see here, I have an inactive subscription which might cause my account to be disabled. So I will click on this one, and then as you can see, my payment method was declined. So here I will scroll down and click on cancel free trial, and then I will click on cancel subscription. So if you have any active subscriptions that are failing the payment or it might cause your account to be disabled, then inactive those subscriptions. So I have canceled my subscription successfully. And then we need to reset our account password so that our account is enabled. So let's go ahead and do that. To reset our account password, we need to head to Safari, and after that we need to click on the search bar and go to iforgot.apple.com. After you head to iforgot.apple.com, you will be able to click on reset password over here, and then you will be able to click on reset my password over here. After that, verify your Face ID or Touch ID, whatever your iPhone have. And then you will be able to enter your new password over here. After you entered your new password, you need to retype your new password and click on continue, and your password will be reset and your account will be enabled. However, if your problem still persists, your account might be enabled, but it's not enabled in your phone. So in that case, you need to go to settings again. Now here, after you have headed to settings, click on your Apple account again, and then scroll down. And after scrolling down, you need to click on sign out. Now from here, click on sign out, but don't erase, and then log back into your phone. This might solve the problem. However, if you still have the same problem, you have to go to Safari again and then search the following term in Google in Safari. So after searching for the following term, you will find Apple Support on top. Go to Apple Support where it says Apple account is locked. And then from here, you need to scroll all the way down and then click on request activation from over here. And then your account should be activated. If you found this video helpful, guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.